The Rallye Dakar is the most demanding race of them all, and that's why we as Reiger came up with a special solution for servicing our suspension parts. We will take you on a tour, and you've been here now for how many days?
We're now here for 13 days, and tomorrow will be rest day. And that's no rest for us. We have to work hard, and that's for us quite important.
But I think we're up to the task with this and all of the area here. First of all, I think here is quite a general area.
Yeah, so this is a general area where our engineers can work on some setting stuff, have a good conversation with the customers, make a plan up front maybe, plan the work, and yeah, a cup of coffee can always be done as well.
Every customer can come here, can book the service, and then can do all of the engineering work together with us as well as the service, right?
Yeah, so we have a lot of customers running our dampers during this rally, and that's why this area is open for everyone that can come in, talk with if they have problems, if they need some service, then yeah, they can come to our truck.
And then we come to the basically service part of everything in the back with the first tent, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So this is one part of the service area, and this looks pretty much like you would be used to it in the Dakar, right? A tent with the floor sealed to get as less dust in as possible. But we have another work area, and this is just for cleaning, right?
Yeah, exactly. So this is already quite luxurious, but for us it's just to get the springs off, get the dampers clean before we take them inside. We don't want to have any dust inside when we work on the dampers. So that's why we have this area here.
So this is just for cleaning, what other teams would use as a general service area.
Yeah.
But we have our service really tidy and clean inside. Inside this huge truck. And of course, this also runs on our shocks to be able to cope with all of the environmental changes here, right? So cabin dampers, suspension dampers, and then also on the inside we have seats and belts to really strap the passengers in to get up to pace. And the most important part up here is pretty much your home for the last days and the next days.
Yeah, exactly.
So
the work is done inside, and maybe it's cool to show you around there.
Yeah, sure enough. Go ahead.
So here we have the 4 work compartments. We brought 4 mechanics to Dakar, and everyone has their own compartment. I can show you mine.
Yeah, sure enough.
So as said before, it's nice and tidy in here, dust-free, so we can do all damper work. Also, we made a system that the vise can be locked in every place. It's easy to work on all type of dampers, bigger dampers, smaller dampers, and also the different kind of jobs we need to do. Inside here, we have the drawers all fitted with the tools we need. Also some special tools for all the dampers. And that's basically it. It's nice and cozy in here.
And of course we also have climate control in there, right?
Exactly.
For you guys to not break into sweat when it gets too much to work on.
Yeah, so the thing that Dakar is known for is the cold nights and the hot days. So we have air conditioning on during the day, and in the evening it can heat up. So all day long we have a nice environment to work in.
And also then on the back we have all of the spare parts, right?
Exactly.
So you also show us a piece of that?
Yeah, of course. Let's go.
So then this is all sorts of spares, right?
Exactly. So since we have a lot of customers running our dampers, they could sign up front. These parts were brought for all the teams, and then a lot of general parts are in here as well to help everyone out that has a problem. Yeah, so big tools, small parts, everything is inside this area.
Nice and tidy to be able to find it.
Exactly.
And then of course all of your luggage is stowed here as well, safe from the dust and the dirt.
Yeah, exactly. So our bags, we need them every day, but during the day they can be standing in the way of everyone while working. So that's why we have this place here to store our bags and have them also nice and clean inside the truck.
Because, and that's the clue, you're also accommodated within the truck, right? You eat here, you sleep here?
Yeah, so eating will be done in the big tent, but we sleep here as well. Basically spend our whole day inside the truck or around the truck. So that's why we need everything in here.
Yeah, and with the sleeping, you're sleeping on top, right?
Exactly. We have our own tent up top. It's nice and also dust-free, so maybe cool to show you.
Yeah, sure enough.
Okay.
So this is not only where you sleep, but probably the place with the best view of the whole bivouac. Behind us there are your accommodations. Talk us through it.
Yeah, so everyone has their own roof tent. It's actually quite luxurious with the width we have. The tents can easily fit 1.5 person, let's say. So we can also stow our stuff inside there, and the sleeping bags and the pillow can stay in while we're going to the next bivouac. Also a cool feature is that the tents can slide out a bit, so we have this space to walk through it. It's not.
So normally you wouldn't have that, but the tents would be right here.
Yeah, exactly.
And you wouldn't have any space, and that's why we have this wonderful terrace here.
Yeah. Now we have this wonderful terrace, and also this railing is pretty steady, so it's a nice place to sleep at night.
Well, and what do you think? Is it a big upgrade from before, now with the service truck?
Yeah, a real big upgrade, especially the workplace, and also normally we're sleeping in a tent on the ground, and that's not too bad, but at nights when you have rain or big windstorms, then it can be nice to be on the roof.
Now you've seen the service area and how we work here at Dakar. I think the race is running quite well for us right now.
Yeah, so currently results don't lie, and we hope to keep it like this, and hopefully all customers are happy with our dampers.
Yeah, and then thanks for showing us around, thanks for watching, and see you the next time.